bafowethu akabingelele igama uZoso bafowethu Hlaka Production bafowethu. Njengamanje sihlangane nomengameli uNgizwe Mlando Mfoka Mchunu weBhinca Nation bafowethu. So njengamanje sifisa nje ukuthola mhlawumbe ngakuyena ngoba siyabona ukuthi kunomonakalo owenzakala lapha endaweni yaseBloemfontein eFree State ohlobene ke nemashi, kodwa sibona kulimala impahla kuntshontsha kutatshwa njengamanje ngakho sizoxhumana nomengameli. Mengameli ninjani ba?
Ngiyaphila mntaka baba, ngiyaphila mfowethu.
Qhawela kithi mhlawumbe usindlalele nje qhawela kithi kulokho okwenzakalayo eBloemfontein Eastern Cape sekuboshwe inqwaba yabantu ukuthi
Mfontein
se-Free
ise-Free
State,
State.
se-Free State.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi abantu bakithi eNingizimu Afrika bonkana ukuthi we are in a very sensitive zone of the country la sibheke khona kumhla ka-30 futhi kungewona kuphela umhla ka-30 usuku nosuku amadolobha wonke nomphakathi wonke uyamasha against illegal immigrants. Ukuhluleka kahulumeni nosopolitiki akungaqhamuki-ke iy'gebengu bese zizo-hijack-a into ebezosizakala ngayo kusasa. Uyabona udadewethu Jacinta uMangobese kwi-March and March kuphakela umthakathi umfowandabandaba uMdidiyeli nami njengomongameli wamabhinca. Kubalulekile ukuthi njengoba sesenze ama-mashi isikhathi eside kangaka eNingizimu Afrika, even ngisho Eastern Cape ku-City of Ugombo, and where there was no criminality, and unless we were highly provoked, and we also condemn that those who have done a crime in City of Ugombo, East London, wrong lokho ngoba the police presence, it proved beyond reasonable doubt that if you see someone doing something wrong, report to the police officers so that they can take the matter to the rightful way of law enforcement, not ukuthi siyibambele thina umthetho ezandla zethu. Nakhona lokho nje namanje nje sasigxeka nje sihamba endleleni nomfowethu Ndabandaba, kodwa siyathemba ukuthi amaphoyisa aseSouthern Cape ayenza uphenyo kuzolokhunye ngoba you can't fight fire with fire. And although we were provoked, nalomfana lona walinyazwa sagcina sibuye naye elimele njalo and uyalulama. Namanje ke we are saying that all corners of South Africa, this is a serious concern about illegal immigrants, and thank you to the people that of other countries that are coming to get their garbage here in South Africa, because the illegal immigrants are the burden in the package of this country. Because ayikho impi kulamazwe wonke abantu abakhona abagcwele la. Isho ilento itshengisa ngokusobala, it exposes the government irresponsibilities. So manje ke as we are heading umhla ka-30, the only gospel that we are preaching, because we are non-politically, we are not in politics, is peace and embrace and love your own country. Njengoba sithi-ke umuzi nomuzi awube neflege, sikhuluma iqiniso lonke neqiniso lodwa ukuze ngisho amathamba asalala obaba bamkhulu bethu nabantu abalibhalethele ilizwe bavuke bakwazi ukuthi bembathe inyama entsha ebezokwazi ukuthi ilwele lelizwe. If eBloemfontein kwenzeke lento eyenzekile, into ebenziwa izigebengu ngoba umphathi waseBloemfontein siyawazi, although singakaze siye kuyomasha khona. Leyo nto leyo itshengisa ngosobala ukuthi khona izigebengu ezifuna ukuhijeka umkhumbi wempi esiwuholayo against ama-illegal immigrants peacefully. And ngoba leli ka-peaceful ufuna ukugcizelela alimnandi lona uma ngabe ubhekene nempi, kodwa nempi yama-meeting ayisekho. Indaba yama ukuthi ke tea or coffee or whatsoever ngeke sivume leyo nto. Zoso, we condemn all the crime that have been committed in Bloemfontein, and kubo bonke ubugebengu obenzekile, abantu belutha impahla, amaphoyisa wonke awabophe noma ngabe ubani o-involve lapho, kuze kuvele ngisho ezinye izigebengu ebezibathumile awenze i-serious operation eBloemfontein amaphoyisa ukuze kucace ukuthi thina esikwenzayo must never be linked with any crime activities that are happening in this country. So we have been peacefully and we remain peacefully.
Kodwa kunabanye indaba ezithi abashilo ukuthi hawu, kanti manje ngomhla ka-30 kuthiwa mhlampe akuphathwa noma undabandaba washo ukuthi hhayi bafowethu amakhamera azophathwa kuzobe kusho kuthiwa bathi abantu hawu kanti nangomhla ka-30 futhi kuzobe ku-peaceful mhlampe nje ukubeka mhlampe kulawo bantu.
Mfowethu, ngisho iy'ngane zesende elilodwa nomuzi owodwa akayifani.
Yeah.
Undabandaba ukhuluma iqiniso lonke neqiniso lodwa lapha. And akukwazi ukuzoqhamuka wena uyisigebengu usikhotheni ongabanjiwe ngobuqili bakho nobugebengu bakho,
Yeah.
uphila ngokusa ngoba le situation enjengale sake safisana nayo ngo-2021,
Yeah.
sasaboshwa siboshelwe ubala.
Yeah.
Fighting for one thing ukuthi ubaba uZuma akaphume ejele.
Yeah.
Kwaqhamuka iy'gebengu zagcekeza iy'tolo, zathwala iy'mpuphu, zathwala iy'nyama, amafriji, yonke leyo nto leyo. That was totally wrong.
Yeah.
Ngoba uyishisa kanjani impepho emzini kayihlo wazi kahle ukuthi kunempahla yobugebengu entshontshiwe elilayikhaya olifike ngokungemthetho, uwisa ibhizinisi lomunye umuntu, uphula umthetho futhi waseNingizimu Afrika. We are condemning ukuthi no, 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 no. Yonke into esobe siyenza izobe vitalizwa and futhi thina la sike sanyathela khona akaze kube khona inkinga, namanje inkinga ingabi khona. All corners of South Africa, all 9 provinces of South Africa, Northwest, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, Western Cape, everywhere, you have right, a democratic right and a constitutional right to march and march until you win. Kodwa awunalo ilungelo lobugebengu. A crime can never be an official thing in this country. Crime must go ejele, finish.
Kodwa indaba ezitha mhlampe uyakholwa yini ngezwa mhlampe abanye abantu nabo futhi basasele bayakhala ukusho ukuthi kulabantu ababokufika ababeliqhinganisela laphana mhlampe ngaphansi ngaphandle eDine Corner Center ababahamba futhi bayobhekisha e-police steshi kwathiwa bangaphezu kwa-400 within mhlampe u-2 hours base beqede wonke i-verification baqede kwathiwa kutholakala ababili ukuthi ba-undocumented.
Lies, lies, lies. Everywhere there is lies. Yeah. And there was the biggest lie that ever Cyril Xaba as a mayor of eThekwini that ever says by his own mouth.
Yeah.
Uqamba amanga ngoba njengamanje siboshwe umuntu okhosha 12 years oyi-official ebedayisa ama-passport and nama-ID asa-South Africa ngokungekho emthethweni. Each person bekhokha 4,000 ukuze athole i-ID asa-South Africa. And if you are normal citizen of South Africa, uyakwazi ukuyithola i-ID overnight, ulinda inyanga uzuyithole. So ke uSiril Xaba akakwazi ukungena laphana within 1 hour yena usebuya nabo bonke laba bantu. Thina siney'dleke esizaziyo esazohamba sekuzona zabantu abakhanda ama-ID nazo zonke izinto, amalayisensi, ama-bank statement, kuluthwa amabhenke ethu bekhohliswa, bathenga iy'moto ngama-fake IDs, ngama-fake license, ngama-fake passport, kwenziwe yonke i-crime. There is a crime inama-level. Kufike kube ne-crime ephansi le yokutapa iy'mpahla, bese kuba ne-secondary crime le yokwenza yonke lento esikhuluma ngawo njengamanje, yokwenza ukuphatha ama-document nama-permit angekho emthethweni iyenzeka and bayadla kakhulu-ke manje njengoba ke kuza umhla ka-30 bese kuzoba maximum crime la othola ukuthi kubula umnotho umuntu ongeyona walelizwe uqhamuke esengowalelizwe ene-bank statement e-right, athole imoto emveni kwalokho kulahleka ifoni, kulahleka yonke into, athathe leyo moto bayiwelise bayise emazweni angaphandle. Uhulumeni wethu akawazi umhlaba athi uphethe. Thina we are on the ground. Zonke sesisuke sihamba nawo mfowethu. Siwazi konke ukuthi kwenzakalani emhlabathini ophansi. And mina, even if one day it happens that I become the leader of this country, I will never lose my route. I will never lose the ground, because the ground, it tells you the exactly, because the majority of leaders of this country and the majority of presidency that have ever led this country, their basement is based on briefing, by a briefer. And then during the briefing, the majority of them, they are being misled.
Ayiqhawela kithi mhlampe asinakhuni mhlampe ngomhla ka-30 uma mhlampe abantu bengahambi ikuphi mhlampe okuzokwenzeka mangabe mhlampe bakhona bangahambi noma bahambi.
Osalile la kangahamba uyohlangana nenyoka iphunga umhlozi. Yonke into izoba peaceful, kodwa ngendlela umthetho waseNingizimu Afrika ikakhulukazi amaphoyisa ngoba sesisebenza nawo kakhulu. Amasosha ngawagcina nge-lockdown edla isinkwa ne-Asha lapha no-Coca-Cola le
Yeah,
ema-toll gate
yeah,
ezivimba amasosha.
yeah, yeah,
So manje angeke ngikhuluma kakhulu ngamasosha, ngisakhuluma ngamaphoyisa
yeah,
nje. Amaphoyisa ngabiza mhlawumbe ngathi mina 90% of them
yeah,
they are highly participating ekutheni ngempela sisapothe ukuthi laba bantu abangekho emthethweni
yeah,
abahamba ngoba nabo bayabahlupha.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes, kodwa mhlawumbe-ke mhlawumbe ngomhla kade ngizwile uMinister of i-Army uMama u-Angie Motshekga esho ukuthi kungenzeka kuchithwe nje impela amasosha ngomhla ka-30 kanjena, especially futhi kulesifundazwe saKwaZulu-Natal.
Ngicabanga ukuthi naye lo Angie Motshekga wahlulwa education kwafela wonke umuntu ngesikhathi ephethe education loya mama loyana.
Yeah,
Manje-ke akaze uzosiphaphela la esephethe amasosha nakhona enziwe isithutha ekuthiwa hambe uyogugela lapha wena emasosheni.
yeah,
Kwakona lo nto it was an insult for Cyril Ramaphosa to appoint an old woman and pensioner to be a representative of the army of this country. It's an insult against all the world countries, UN and everyone, African Union, so that our minister of soldiers in this country is a pensioner. So leyo nto leyo insult. He should have appointed the young active man or a young active someone that can lead the military department as an minister. So leyo nto leyo iyodwa nje-ke ngicela ukuthi umama ahambe ayoyihlalela ekhaya ayibukele i-TV, ayikho into ezokonakala kuleli lizwe futhi ngeke ziyonakale namanje. We still say one thing: peace, peace, march, march until our voice is heard, because we are no longer even speaking too much. We are now on the road and making sure that we apply all the rule of law. If they want to kill us, they must kill us. If they want to arrest us, they must arrest us. But umthetho walelizwe ngiyawuthemba uyokwazi ukukhipha amakhobe emabeleni.
kodwa ndiqhabela kithi mhlawumbe nje ukubeka kusukela kusasa njengoba kuLesithathu kusasa ukhomishana omkhulu waseGhana ukhona lapha eSouth Africa ukuvezile usukwini layizolo ukuthi kulindeleke ukuba mhlawumbe kusasa kuhambe ama-Ghanaians ebuyele kwelakubo mhlawumbe mhlawumbe azoba u-300 noma azoba u-800, kodwa uthena ama-application asebewatholile mhlawumbe angaphezu kwa-800 mhlawumbe lokho kuwena, kodwa futhi uphinde wakhala futhi ngokuthi laba abahambayo bakhala ngokuthi mhlawumbe ukuhlukunyezwa mhlawumbe nanokuthi bawu-20 mhlawumbe abalimalile abalinyazwa yizona izinto ey'phathelene mhlawumbe nokuhlukunyezwa umphakathi walapha eNingizimu.
Bayilimazelana bodwa nje nobugebengu babo. Thina ayikho neyodwa i-case evuliwe against us because ayikho neyodwa into e-wrong esiyenzile. Ubugebengu benzeka usuku nosuku la, and awukwazi ukuthi uma kwenzeka ubugebengu bese uzobuthatha ubenze bube emashoni mashi,
Yeah,
noma ubenze bube obukaphakela, noma
yeah,
ubenze kube obukangizwa.
yeah,
No, i-wrong leyo nto. And into eyenzakalayo la, thina ngisho abantu abasuke bethintwa nje kancane lapha bekhuzwa,
yeah,
yabona,
yeah,
abantu esuke sihamba nabo, and lokhu kuphuvekile. Usiko lwakansizwa lunjalo nje.
yeah,
Ukubona ukuthi ngisho obaba abasuke behola amabutho abadidiyeli KwaZulu baye beshaya ihawu kanzima kabi bekhuza amabutho, because we are not in church
yeah,
and we are not preaching.
yeah,
We are here in the battlefield.
yeah,
We are the army of the Zulu nation.
yeah.
So we need to command our regime as an army. So sikwazi ukuthi yonke into yethu isebenze kahle.
Yeah, hhayi, sibonge.
Labantu-ke bathi-ke mina ngisuke sikhulume nani isingisi ngibe ngingasazi. Yebo, angisazi ngiyavuma. Kodwa mangikhuluma isiZulu ngeke nizwe. Wese mina isiZulu sami sijiyile, sijulile. Kodwa kusizana ukukhuluma isiZulu kuzwe wena ongenayo inkinga, bese i-message ingayirisi i-destination. Nawe nawagibela amabhanoyi, you have reached your destination.